Sometimes the people around you won't understand your journey. They don't need to. It's not for them. It is only you and you alone. You might have experienced your dream in life that people criticize it. People say, no, we don't understand your thought. We don't understand your idea. This guy's thinking is not right. They criticize you, sometimes insult and abuse you. But it is not for them. The journey is yours and you alone. And if you fail, you're the one who will feel the pain, not them. So don't waste your time making them to understand. Focus at it, push for it, fight for it, so that it happens. Because it is your journey.